field to foreman, your blueprint to project management success. Welcome. If you're ready to level up from the field to leadership, you're in the right place. This is your blueprint, your bridge, from foreman to project manager. Let's get started. You've got the hands-on experience, but there are 3 hidden barriers holding you back. 1. An experience gap. You haven't had formal PM training. 2. A language barrier. You're not speaking the same business language as management. And 3. A visibility problem. Your hard work stays in the field while the decisions are made in offices. This course helps you break through all 3. There's a myth out there. Work hard and someone will notice. Be dependable. Put out fires. Wait your turn. But here's the truth. Promotions don't go to those who wait. They go to those who bridge the knowledge gap and step up with intention. You already have 80% of what you need, your field experience and problem-solving skills. The missing 20% is what this course gives you: project management tools, mindset, and strategy. Project managers follow a playbook even if you can't see it. They track budgets down to the dollar. They build client trust through steady communication. They plan resources and time strategically. And they document everything to protect the project and themselves. Leadership doesn't wait for a job title. You lead first, by taking responsibility beyond your role, by solving problems before you're asked. Do that, and recognition will follow. Here's how the mindset shifts. From task doer to problem solver, from problem solver to strategic thinker, and from strategic thinker to project leader. It's not just a new role, it's a new way of seeing the job. Want to speak like a PM? Start with the language. Know budget terms like contingency, overhead, and margin. Understand scheduling, critical path, float, milestones, and get fluent in contract lingo, scope, deliverables, and change orders. This is how we grow. Learn the concepts. Apply them in your current role. Adjust based on what works. Then grow into the next level. Learn, apply, adjust, grow. Start showing your value. Document the problems you solve. Communicate upward. Speak your supervisor's language. And when the hard jobs come up, volunteer. Visibility leads to opportunity. Mastering time starts with priorities. Use the urgent, important matrix to focus. Block time for the real work. Cut the clutter. Learn to say no. Then review your week. Adjust. Improve. Smart foremen prevent problems before they start. 80% of issues can be prevented with planning. You'll save 5 times more by fixing issues early. Spend 3 hours a day looking ahead, not reacting. Embrace digital. Use mobile apps for reporting, time tracking, and photos. Collaborate in the cloud. Stay connected wherever you are. Explore new tech like drones and BIM. Track performance with data, not guesswork. Lead your team like a pro. Communicate expectations clearly. Coach problem solving, not just reporting. Delegate based on strengths and recognize wins. Be specific and prompt. Clients trust leaders who stay ahead of problems. Give proactive updates. Be honest about issues and offer solutions. Document everything and always respond with confidence and clarity. Documentation is protection. Log daily progress, weather, and crew information. Track every change order. Take dated progress photos. It's your paper trail and it matters. Understand where the money goes. Labor is 35 to 45%. Track the hours. Materials are 30 to 40. Verify deliveries. Equipment 10 to 15. Minimize downtime. Subs are 20 to 30. Check their work. Budgets aren't just numbers, they're trust. Stay ahead by staying curious. Mobile tools, cloud systems, drones, wearables, BIM. Use the tools that make your work smarter, safer, and more efficient. The best leaders are always learning. Here's your 30-day challenge. Week 1, shadow your PM. Week 2, write daily progress reports. Week 3, track a budget item. Week 4, lead one toolbox talk. Small steps, big impact. You don't get promoted and then lead. You lead and then you get promoted. The blueprint is in your hands. Take action. You're not waiting anymore. You're moving forward.